There is a man, Mulk Raj Anand. He wrote a Kuli novel. This novel comes in an English subject, and he describes this novel very beautifully. There are a lot of characters in this novel who comes out with their different phases of their life, and you will going to be see whenever you read this novel, you will going to see that how Munnu, the main character of the novel, lives in a village, Khangra village, and he used to do such activities which his father doesn't like. So because of those activities, his father decided that he must go to some another place so that he may learn something new, he may get education. Earlier he used to play with his friends daily, and because of that thing his father doesn't like, that he always used to play, he never do study. And his father was a bank person, he do jobs in a bank, and finally when he gets fed up, he decided to take his child to some another place. When he went there on a bullock cart, the bullock cart was like that was used in a earlier period. Bullock cart was also used in a village, to go some another place. Whenever you have to go some another place in an earlier period, then those person use a bullock cart to go to some another place. So they went up on bullock cart and shift to some another place. That child was shifted to some another place by his father, and where he lived, where he had gone, in that house you will going to be learned that what a bad treatment was given to him. He used to do the household works over there. He seems to be treated as a servant, but he never say anything to anybody. But one day he himself got fed up, Munnu got fed up, and he decided to run from that place. When he ran, he went to the railway station, and he reached some another place, and even he met some new other people too. And you will going to be learn, and you will going to be see, you will going to be saw that how he shifted to some another place by getting fed up from those activities which he do in that house, and he goes fed up from those people. And this novel was a very interesting novel, and I really love this novel, Munnu novel, Kuli novel, because this novel describes the village life. This novel teach you that how the people of the village life lead their life, and how Munnu shift to some another place, then gone to some another place to बार बार वो जगह बदलता है, and at the end his life becomes very sad. So this is a novel written by Mulk Raj Anand. He wrote this novel, and he describes this novel in a very beautiful way. Those images, those characters come out with a different postures. So this is my novel, Mulk Raj Anand, English novel. So if anybody wants to read this novel, you can read, you can purchase this book from the shop and you can read this novel. This is a very beautiful novel. There are lots of characters. I'm going to tell you about those characters very soon.